How to use Minimax AI. Now, before that, Minimax AI is actually an alternate for text to video and other generative AI tools. So this is actually the company's first product with video one generates hyper realistic moving images of humans. It is also known for rendering accurate and motions capability that is competing AI video products like OpenAI's Sora has struggled with. Now, for you to be able to register through Minimax AI, just visit their official site and choose on what specific prompt you'd like to generate. Now, once you log in here, all you have to do is to choose a specific prompt. So say, for example, you're going to be generating for a certain AI video. So just simply click on this link right here and you will be redirected to Halo AI video, which is actually a partner with Minimax AI. And as of 2025, they have upgraded it. Instead of Minimax, it's going to be minimaxi.com's official site. So again, just go to minimaxi.com's official site, and for you to be able to register, just click or choose any prompt that you'd like to be generated, like maybe a video, music, or a text. Now, once you tap on any of these options, you will be redirected to Halo, and this is going to be your interface for signing up or logging in. So that's the very basic parts on how you can use Minimax AI.